Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to talk about WW. I want to talk to you about why I decided to switch over to the green plan and why I'm currently on it. So let's just go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so when I first started WW, there was only one plan, and it was the blue plan. It's the plan that everybody was on when they were on WW, and I did see some results on the blue plan. The thing with the blue plan is that a lot of things like eggs, chicken, certain vegetables like corn and stuff like that, they're all 0 points. So that's great. But if I'm being really honest, I kind of feel like maybe I was just overindulging a little bit, maybe overeating. And I was like, okay, this is just not working out. So when WW came out with the two other plans that they have now, which is the green plan and the purple plan, I reviewed both of them. And originally I was going to go with purple, but then I was like, no, I cannot do purple. So the way WW works is you put in your weight and you put in your age. Maybe that plays a factor into it, I don't really know, but that's how you calculate your points. So every single person is going to have different amount of points depending on their weight, their age, oh, and I think like your physical activity. So on the blue plan I was getting 27 points, on the green plan I'm getting 30 points, and I did look at the purple plan, and on the purple plan I would have gotten 17 points. So the thing with the purple plan that I did not like was like potatoes, pasta, popcorn, and things like that had 0 points. And I was like, oh no, no. I don't need that in my life, because I feel like it's very easy to get a little carried away, put a little extra pasta, get a little bit more extra potatoes. Let me not do that. So I quickly scratched that. On the blue plan, I was on the blue plan, but like I said, I feel like maybe I was eating one too many eggs or eating one too much chicken. And I know, like, it's just, I just didn't, I wanted something different because I feel like I was plateaued for a while. So then I was like, let me try the green plan out. I love the green plan. I finally got out of my plateau. I reached my goal weight, and I'm still, trying to lose weight. The thing is, it's just working for me. The green plan has more accountability for me. If I want to eat an egg, it's no longer 0 points. One egg has 2 points in it. So, you're looking and you're like, okay, I get 30 points a day. How do I want to eat up my points? It's just better for me. It works better for me. I have more accountability on the green plan. So let me look at my plan right quick. I feel like going to the WW, yeah. So you get 30 points, and then your weeklies, I get 42 weeklies, which means if I go over my 30 points in a day, I still have a little bit of extra points to play with, like if I want to go out to eat or anything like that, you can use some of your weeklies. But that is why I chose the green plan. The blue plan is great. I have seen so many people actually like have really, really great success with the blue plan. And that's great. Every single person, every single person's body acts differently or reacts differently. So just pick a plan that is right for you. Look at everything. I think purple plan has the most 0 point foods, which like pasta, popcorn, I think like all of their proteins, like their chicken, their corn and stuff like that, I want to say is like 0 points. That's why you get so little points. During the day you get only 17 points, but that's because you have like so much like food options to choose from that are 0 points. And then you have the blue plan, which has second to what is that, second place, second to the last, second, what am I trying to say? It's in second place for the 0 points food, because their eggs, chicken, corn, like a lot of their protein foods don't have points. So you get 27 points. And here I am on the green plan. I get 3 more points, but I feel like everything has points. I feel like the only thing that doesn't have points are fruits. Some vegetables. Corn have points or has points. Like if you want to eat a corn on the cob, that has points. Frozen corn has points. I love corn so much. But it just works so well for me. I love it. I really have been enjoying the green plan. So yeah, I hope that answered, you know, your question, your curiousness. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm having like brain fogs. But yes, that is why I chose the green plan. Please let me know in the comments down below, like if you have any more questions. I will be more than happy to answer them if I know the answer. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.